like I said, I'll cover it and allow the flavors to continue to soak in until my yam is properly boiled, and I'll serve it. Yeah, so guys, good day. Yeah, this is afternoon and welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? My name is Iphie. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. Hit on the bell notification and subscribe to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be teaching us or showing us how to make this lovely budget, very budget friendly Igbo palm oil sauce. Yeah, this sauce is so tasty, as in it is very tasty, and the ingredients that I used to make it are packed with a lot of nutritional benefits that you would actually be wild, and it's not expensive like I said. So, and you know that now things are we are rich. We are very rich in this country. So this is something that you can easily use to eat, like boiled yam, roasted plantain, boiled plantain, or whatever you get. So guys, like I said, and I always say in my videos, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I am begging you. We need to hit target too. I need to hit 1,000 subscribers latest by March ending 2023, and I'm still at 300 and something. Guys, come on now, you guys should help your girl, okay? Help your girl, share my videos on your social so that others get to subscribe. So let's go to the kitchen and start making this lovely palm oil sauce. So this palm oil sauce, Igbo people call it jimano or Ukpaka or Ugba. You understand? Ukpaka is Anambra people that call it Ukpaka. Ugba is Imo, Abia, thereabouts. You understand? But they are the same things. You understand? So if you are a lover of Jin Mano or Jin Ukpaka, say hey. This is me saying my own hey. So guys, this delicacy is really nice. And if you're also a lazy cook, yes, if you're a lazy cook, you can actually do this. This can be cooked by a man, it can be cooked by a woman. It doesn't require stress. You understand? So guys, that is what this video is going to be. There's some construction work going on around my area, so please ignore the noise. Yeah, so the first thing is to peel your yams and wash them and put them in the fire, yeah? Boil them, yeah? If you prefer roasted yam, you can do roasted yam as well. Then let me take you through the other ingredients that we'll be using for this. So the other ingredients, like I told you, this is a very budget friendly meal. It doesn't require much. We'll be using onions. I already washed and peeled them. This is ginger and garlic. You can see ginger and garlic. This is habanero, this is fresh pepper, and this is the star ingredient, which is the Ugba, or as some people call it, Ukpaka. You understand? Star ingredients. Another thing I'll be adding is stock cube and palm oil. You can add salt to taste. I'm actually going to add salt to my yam now as it's boiling. Then I'll check my fridge to see if I have Utazi leaves. If I have Utazi leaves, I'll sprinkle some while making it. So let me quickly go and check so that I can start making the palm oil sauce, or jimano as Igbo people call it. First, you add your palm oil, okay? To a dry pot, you add your palm oil, and I will just remember that I was just ranting about Ukpaka. So and I know that people from all over the world are watching this video, so it wouldn't be nice that some of them don't even know what is Ugba or Ukpaka. So Ugba is called, or Ukpaka is called, African oil bean seed in English. So that's what it means for people that are not Igbo or that are not even Nigerian. So after adding the palm oil, I'll go in ahead and add my onions. Let me increase the heat because I need these onions to really fry out and release its flavor. Yeah. So we'll allow the onions to fry for some minutes and release its flavor. Okay, now that the onions is frying, I'll add the next ingredient, which is the ginger and garlic. Trust me, growing up we were not using ginger and garlic, but of course you guys know that I'm a ginger and garlic baby girl, so, and it's very, very nutritional. So I'm going to be adding it to this palm oil sauce. The next thing is to add your pepper. Okay, add your pepper. So next ingredient is the Ugba, the African oil bean. You add it now to this. After adding that, the next thing I'm going to be adding is my stock cube. You can also add salt at this point, but I am not interested in adding salt in this. I'm only going to use stock cube for this meal. So I add this, stir, give it a quick stir, and cover it so that the ingredients and the flavors all work together and soak in. Yes. So like after some minutes, you check it. Okay, the truth is, at this point this palm oil sauce is done, you get. But I mentioned earlier that I would like to sprinkle some uziza leaf. If you don't have uziza leaf, once you get to this point, you are actually done. But not uziza, rather Utazi. So I'm going to just sprinkle some Utazi leaf just for the culture and turn this off, yeah, so that the heat would so I've turned it off. I've added this Utazi leaf and turned it off, and trust me guys, this is ready. So I'm going to cover it because I'll cover it and allow the flavors to continue to soak in till my subscribe to my channel. Kindly do so immediately so that you're one of the first to get a notification when I post a new video. So what do you think about this video? Tell me in the comment section. The prep time is little. You can do this in as little as 5 minutes. The ingredients are not expensive, so you should, if you haven't done this before, you should totally jump on this and enjoy yourself. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.